Hello everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about power supply system. So after the end of this lecture you would be able to understand power supply system means low voltage, medium voltage and high voltage system. So let's start. So now in power supply system, first of all we'll see what is a low voltage system. Okay, so a low voltage system is an electrical system designed to operate at a maximum of 1000 volt AC or 1500 volt DC. So these voltage limits are defined by standards such as IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, okay, and are commonly used in residential, commercial and light industrial application. Now here the question is why we are using low voltage system. Why use low voltage system? What is the reason? Remember here, low voltage systems are used because they are safer to operate and maintain compared to high voltage system. Okay, and they are suitable for common appliances and building utilities. They also reduce the risk of electrical shock and fires, and they are cost effective for installation and insulation. Okay, so the common low voltage level in building application is what? Single phase supply. Okay, as you know that single phase supply is the standard voltage used in homes and small offices. Okay, and three phase supply used for heavier load like air conditioner, pumps, motors and machineries. Okay, is it clear? So this is called as a low voltage system. Now here you can see the standard and reference is given for low voltage system. IEC, as I told you, International Electrotechnical Commission 60038 defined low voltage as up to 1000 volt, and NEC, National Electrical Code, consider low voltage up to 600 volt. Okay, now application where we can use. So first of all, low voltage system is used for residential and commercial building, for lighting, power socket, appliances and HVAC equipment, and it is also used in office building, industrial system. Okay, so this is all about low voltage system. Now we'll see what is a medium voltage system. So here it is written, see, medium voltage, in short you can say MV. Medium voltage refers to electrical systems that operate at voltages between 1 kilovolt means 1000 volt and 35 kilovolt means 35,000 volt. However, some standards and utilities extend this range up to 72.5 kilovolt depending on the classification and application. Okay, so why medium voltage is important? See, medium voltage system are used to transmit and distribute power over long distances in cities, towns and industrial zones. So these voltages are high enough to be efficient for distribution, but not as high as transmission voltage, which are high voltage system. Okay, is it clear? Now here maybe the question is where are this medium voltage system used? So normally in substation, medium voltage is used in primary and secondary substations to step down from high voltage and distribute to end user, even in the industrial facilities like factory, chemical plants. Okay, medium voltage. See the standard and reference like IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, and IEEE define medium voltage as 1 kilovolt to 35 kilovolt. Okay, and common medium voltage rating is given here: 6.6 kilovolt, 11 kilovolt, 22 kilovolt, 33 kilovolt, and in some cases up to 66 kilovolt or 72.5 kilovolt as per IEC or utility classification. Okay, and remember here, medium voltage equipment includes medium voltage switch gear, circuit breaker, okay, MV transformer, cable termination and joints. Okay, so these are the medium voltage equipment. Here the application is also given. You can use this medium voltage system in power distribution network, in large industrial plants, hospitals and malls. Okay, so the key point which you have to remember here, that medium voltage is usually used for power distribution, not for direct end use by consumer. Okay, this point is very important, so remember. And this system, medium voltage system, required special insulation and safety measure due to high voltage. Okay, so this is all about the medium voltage system. Now we'll move to the next, high voltage system. So what is a high voltage system? We'll see here. See, high voltage system refers to electrical system that operates at voltage about 35 kilovolt, means near about 35,000 volts. Okay, these are mainly used for bulk power transmission, meaning moving large amount of electricity over long distances from power plant to substation. Okay, is it clear? So the typical voltage ranges in high voltage system is how much? 66 kilovolt to 220 kilovolt. Okay, so these are used to transmit electricity, okay, between a regional substation and are a key part of national and regional power grids. Remember this thing. Okay, and extra high voltage level is 220 kilovolt to 400 kilovolt. You can see here it is given extra high voltage range. So this used for long distance high capacity transmission. Okay, then ultra high voltage range is above 400 kilovolt. Okay, so it is used for interstate and international transmission of electricity. This ultra high voltage is the most efficient method for transmitting very large amount of power across vast distances. Okay, now why high voltage is used for transmission? Because it reduces power loss. Okay, even it can also improve efficiency and economy, also allow long distance transmission. So there are many reasons why high voltage is used for transmission. Okay, now where you see high voltage system, that also we'll discuss. So here you can see some standard and references given, that as per IEEE, so IEEE defined high voltage as above 35 kilovolt, which is used for long distance power transmission due to lower losses. Okay, here's some application where you can see the high voltage system, like in transmission line. Transmission line on tall tower across rural areas and highways. Okay, this is, here you can see the high voltage system. Even in the grid interconnection system, grid substation connecting power generation to the main grid. Okay, then in large utility scale power plant. Okay, so now here you can see the summary table is given where we can use this system. If you see, the voltage category is given here. In the first column, low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, their voltage range is given. Low voltage is up to 1000 volt AC, medium voltage 1 kilovolt to 35 kilovolt, and high voltage above 35 kilo. Typical use, normally in the building loads we are using low voltage. Medium voltage system use distribution from substation. High voltage for long distance transmissions. Okay, their example is given here. Okay, so now the topics which we have covered in this lecture, we have discussed in detail about the power supply system, low voltage, medium voltage and high voltage system. So hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.